Alright guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Dewalt XP Extended Performance Stainless Grinding Wheel. I'm refinishing a boat trailer right now, and it's probably got about 4 to 5 coats of old paint on it, so I'm going to give this a shot. I've actually been using a sander and a wire wheel, but guy at my local hardware store said these are pretty good, so I'm going to start out with the 40 grit. I also have a 60 grit too, so give you an update. I'm going to put this on my Makita grinder and see how it does on removing really stubborn old paint. Here's the trailer I'm working on. It's an old 60s boat trailer. You can see right here, this is where I've already sanded and wire wheeled and smoothed out and primed the tongue, and that took me about a day to do that, so I'm trying to speed up the process on the rest of this trailer refinish. As you can see, there's old epoxy resin and just tons of old paint, and I'd like to get it down to bare metal, but I don't want it to take forever, so I'm going to give these Dewalt wheels a chance and see if that speeds the process up, and maybe this video will help you. But I'll get back with you guys here after I get some stuff worked out and let you know if these are worth buying for a project like this. Alright guys, I fired it up, and as you can see, very minimal wear. Already got this done in, I think that took me like 4 minutes, right to bare metal. So if you need to remove old paint off a trailer or anything, I would definitely give this thing a thumbs up. Sorry I don't have a video of me using it, but it works like butter. I mean, it just literally burns it off so fast that you almost need to be careful, especially if you're working around any welds or, joints and stuff. So anyways, just a quick video. Thought I'd throw this out there. It helped me, and I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching.